In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send data in Zapier to another service using webhooks. If you're looking to streamline your workflows and automate data transfer, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the home page. You'll see a login button waiting for you. Click on it to proceed. Now, if you have a Google account, go ahead and use that to log in. This will make things quicker and smoother, and Zapier seamlessly integrates with Google's services, making it a convenient choice. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier dashboard or homepage. This is your central hub for creating and managing automations, which Zapier refers to as Zaps. Next, look for the Create button. It's prominently displayed and signals the start of your Zap creation journey. Click it to get started. In the Zap creation interface, you'll see the option to select Zaps. Clicking here allows you to set the foundation for your automation. You will need to define what will trigger the automated sequence, so click on the Trigger option. In this scenario, we'll use Google Sheets as the trigger app, which is particularly useful for handling data updates. With Google Sheets selected, your next step is to choose an event that will prompt the automation. For this example, we need to click on New Spreadsheet Row. This means that whenever a new row is added to your specified Google Sheet, it will initiate the sequence. This can be incredibly useful if you're regularly updating data or want timely responses. Once you've selected your event, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account once again, if you haven't already done so. This ensures that Zapier has the necessary permissions to access your Google Sheets data. Now it's time to specify the action that will happen after the trigger. Click on Action and then select Webhooks. Webhooks are a powerful way to send data to other services. By choosing webhooks, we are setting up the Zap to send information to another service that accepts webhook requests. Here, you must decide on the type of event. Click on Post. Posting data allows it to be sent directly to the receiving service's endpoint URL, ensuring the data reaches the intended destination promptly. You're almost done. It's essential to make sure everything is working as expected, so hit Test to run your setup. This checks whether the webhook and data transfer are functioning correctly. Finally, with everything tested and ready to go, look for the Publish button and give it a click. This activates your Zap, automating the process and handling the data transfer for you. And there you have it. You've just set up a Zapier automation using webhooks to send data to another service. This process not only saves time but also enhances efficiency by removing manual data handling.